Wow, look at that. And you can see,
Color red talaga siya.
pinkish reddish. Hindi dahil hilaw siya. It's because of the pink salt.
Yeah. Oh, this is really good. Kasi ang nipis ng baboy. Look at that.
Wow!